How can we motivate ourselves every day? Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss how we can motivate ourselves every day. Motivation is the key to living a productive life and fulfilling our potential. Let's begin with inspiring quotes from famous individuals from around the world. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Jim Ryan. As Jim Ryan once said, motivation is what gets us started, but it is our habits that keep us going. Motivating ourselves every day involves forming positive habits that can keep us moving forward. Advice. First and foremost, we need to set clear goals. Knowing what we want to achieve and having a clear vision will give us focus and strong motivation to start each day. Motivation is the fuel that ignites the fire within you. Oprah Winfrey. As Oprah Winfrey expressed, motivation is the fuel that ignites the fire within us. Having a strong determination to achieve our goals will help us maintain motivation every day. Advice. Create a motivating morning routine. Start the day with activities that inspire and provide positive energy, such as meditation, reading inspirational books, or exercising. A positive morning routine will give us the motivational boost to face the day with enthusiasm. Success is the key that keeps motivation shining. Dwayne Johnson. According to Dwayne Johnson, success is the key that keeps our motivation shining. Achieving small successes every day will provide us with a continuous motivational boost. Advice. Set small goals and celebrate progress. Breaking down big goals into smaller tasks and celebrating each achievement will help us maintain high motivation every day. Motivating ourselves every day is the key to living a productive life and fulfilling our potential. By setting clear goals, forming positive habits, creating a motivating morning routine, achieving small successes, and celebrating progress, we can maintain high motivation every day. Thank you for watching our video on how we can motivate ourselves every day. The inspiring quotes from famous individuals have reminded us of the importance of setting goals, forming positive habits, and achieving success in maintaining motivation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more motivational and inspirational content. Make motivation your faithful companion in your life journey and face each day with high spirits. See you in the next video.